So Mahrukh, women make themselves intentionally small. How?
Look at the way a woman uses space around her, right? How often do you see a woman sitting, just comfortably or using her whole body, right? Invariably, we'll sit like this, or we'll sit in the corner, or we won't be center stage, right? So one is the way they use space and the way they use their body. The other is language. Language is a big one. We tend to use qualifiers, we tend to use self-deprecating language, we tend to use the word, for example, the word just. Can I just take a moment of yours? Why can't I say, I need a minute, right? I won't say it that way. I'll say, can I just, if you don't mind.
Yes.
We use all these qualifiers as if every time we are asking for something, it's a favor that is being done to us. As if, we don't have a right to ask for that time, that space, that voice of ours, right? And the third is, and these two in a sense combined together stop us from being our complete, assertive, authentic selves.
What do you mean by that? Yeah.
So when I say that, I mean, if I need something, I will think 10 times before asking for it. If I have a point of view, I will first try to think of how will it land, who could it offend, who could it counteract. If I say this, but he's already said this, so then it shouldn't be like I'm getting into a confrontation. So often in a meeting, I've seen not just women, but often women hold themselves back.
So they don't even present their views.
They don't present their views, or they present them with so many qualifiers that the person in front thinks, oh, I really don't know if she really knows what she's talking about. She's sounding so diffident. And actually, the woman in her mind has a very clear idea about what she wants to say. But what is happening is that she is so worried about how it will land, how other people will receive it, that she puts in all these all this unnecessary covering that actually smothers the idea and sometimes even kills it.
Wow. Fantastic.
So I just think women need to genuinely claim their space, really step into their power, because there's so much that women have within them that they just keep sort of under wraps.
Thank you.